सो हाय गाइस, दिस इज वर्षा एंड यू वाचिंग मास्टरमाइंड। सो गाइस, जैसे कि आपने इस वीडियो के टाइटल में देखा, आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट रिवीजन क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम सॉइल्स इन इंडिया फ्रॉम योर ज्योग्राफी। सो ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस आर इंपॉर्टेंट रिवीजन क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस। सो फ्रेंड्स, डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड इफ यू फाइंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स। सो लेट अस बिगिन। सॉइल्स इन इंडिया चैप्टर से जो कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिवीजन क्वेश्चन है फॉर योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस, जो कि हमेशा बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस में पूछा जाता है। व्हाट इज सॉइल इरोजन? सो यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग द आंसर एंड यू कैन मेक योर ओन आंसर्स। व्हाट इज सॉइल इरोजन? इट इज द रिमूवल ऑफ द टॉप फर्टाइल लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल by running water, or it can be by wind and other agents of erosion. So this is soil erosion. The second question which is asked in your board examination is two methods to control soil erosion. So the two methods which can be used for controlling soil erosion, it can be contour plowing, or it can also be terracing, it can be planting of shelter belts. So you can write any two answers, any two reasons you can give. So now the next thing which is asked is name the soil which is good for the cultivation of cotton. So the soil which is good for the cultivation of cotton, you must be knowing it is black soil, also called regur soil. Next thing which is important, name the soil which is formed as a result of leaching. तो guys, इसका आंसर भी आपको पता होगा। The soil which is formed as a result of leaching, it is laterite soil. Again, the next question which is important, name the soil which is good for the cultivation of cashew nuts. So the soil which is good for cultivation of cashew nuts, it is again laterite soil which is formed as a result of leaching. Next thing which is important, name the soil which covers almost all of West Bengal. So the soil which covers all of West Bengal, it is alluvial soil. You must be knowing the answer, and it is also one of the most fertile soil. The next question which is important is, why black soil it is good for the cultivation of cotton? So friends, black soil, also called regur soil, it is good for cultivation of cotton because it is moisture retentive. So this is the main thing that you must remember, it is moisture retentive. Now coming back to the next question which is important for your board examinations, what is the difference between khadar and bangar? So guys, the first difference between khadar and bangar is that bangar, first of all, it is old alluvium, and if you talk about khadar, so it is new alluvium. So this is one main difference. Now the second point which you can write is that bangar, it is non-porous in nature, but if you talk about khadar, so it is porous in nature and it is moisture retentive. So these are the 2 points which you can give. Now the next question which is important is, why is red soil red in color? So guys, इसका आंसर भी आपको पता होगा, why red soil is red in color? Because it is rich in iron oxide. So this is the answer. Next question which is important, why laterite soil it is not good for cultivation, not suitable for cultivation? So guys, laterite soil it is not good for cultivation, not suitable for cultivation, first of all because it is acidic in nature, and the second point which you can write, it is not moisture retentive. So since it is not moisture retentive, so it is not good for cultivation, and at the same time it is acidic in nature. The next question which is important from your soils in India chapter is, you will have to go through the terms afforestation and deforestation. Questions based on this is asked, so you must be knowing what is afforestation. It is planting of more and more trees. And what is deforestation? Deforestation, it is the cutting of trees due to various human purposes. These are the 2 terms which are important. One is afforestation and the second is deforestation. Now the next and the last question which is important from your soils in India chapter, why is alluvial soil extremely fertile? So guys, alluvial soil it is extremely fertile because it is rich in potash, lime and humus. So these 3 terms are important. It is rich in humus, potash and lime, and this is the reason why it is very fertile as compared to other soils. So friends, these are few of the important questions from your soils in India chapter which are mostly asked in your board examinations, and they are important revision questions. So please go through all these questions carefully, and besides this, if you want the PDF of this, so I have also made a PDF in which I have given all these important questions. So you can download it from the link that is provided in the description box of this video. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.